Hello, my little math stallions. For this activity, you need this piece of paper, scissors, a red crayon, and a blue crayon. Please get scissors, red crayon, and blue crayon. Pause the video. Welcome back. Now we're going to start with your scissors. At the bottom of your page, you will see a piece of string. It has a box around it with these little dashed lines. You're going to cut this string by following the lines. Do not try to cut all the way around this string. Follow the box that is there. Pause the video to cut out that piece of string. All right, friends, you will need that piece of string today to compare the length of objects to your string. So to do this, you need to line your string up at an endpoint. So if you look, this is where the beginning of this line starts. So I lined my string up right here and pretended there was a little imaginary endpoint. Now that I have them lined up, I need to think, is this shoe longer or shorter than my string? Well, I see that the shoe stops here, but my string keeps going. So that must mean that this shoe is shorter than the string. So I'm going to color in my shoe blue. Pause the video and color in your shoe blue. Great job. Now let's look at this side. You're going to take your string and you're going to pretend there's an imaginary endpoint. Line it up. If this picture is longer than the string, you're going to color it red. If it's shorter than the string, please color it blue. Now take your string and compare it to this picture. Line it up. Pretend there's an endpoint. If this picture is longer than your string, color it red. If it is shorter than your string, color it blue. Great job, friends. Now let's compare it to this picture of the water bottle. Line it up on an endpoint. If the water bottle is longer than the string, color it red. If it is shorter than the string, color it blue. Now we are comparing height. So we have to turn our endpoint now to the bottom, to the ground. So that means we need to turn our string around. Let's compare now the height of this trophy to the height of our string. The trophy stops here, but the string keeps going. That means that it is shorter. So I'm going to color it blue. All right, the last one, my friends. You're going to pretend the endpoint is on the ground. Turn that string. If the girl is taller than your string, color it red. If the girl is shorter than your string, color it blue. Great work today.